Absolutely incredible. Honestly, one of the best performances I've seen.
The movement was exquisite. The different patterns, the different rhythms, the way they interacted, it's one of the best things I've seen here.
It was just inspirational.
Most deeply moving show. I'm just moved to the core.
I thought it was absolutely brilliant, absolutely wonderful.
The singing, it gets to your soul.
I had a really emotional reaction to the whole piece. The absolute beauty and the technique and the fluidity, the live music, it was stunning.
It was absolutely incredible, yeah. Loved it. I haven't seen a piece of dance like that for a long time.
Just amazing from the get-go. As soon as it started, you just know straight away, I'm going to enjoy this. That's it.
All of the structure of how it was composed, it was just mind-blowing.